Deep drop by Castle, moves up, gets hit as he throws, and it's intercepted. Threw it right into the hand of Mitchell. Here comes a blitz, Blackburn, and he catches Adrian Peterson in the backfield, spins him down by the waist, a loss of almost 6 yards. First and 10, deep drop, Castle sacked by Thomas Davis, coming scot-free. Down 7 for Minnesota. Castle bobbles the snap. Thomas Davis erases him at the 10-yard line. Sidearm throw intercepted over the middle. It is picked off. Mitchell got his second of the game, and he's on the run down the far sideline.
Another bad throw by Matt Castle, and Mitchell has benefited twice on these overthrows.
Here we go. This is football, a game of forward progress. Panthers trade an offensive lineman and a tight end from right to left. Newton has the snap, gives to Tolbert. Tolbert has the first down and was almost out the back end of it. Cam Newton drops back to throw. Throws end zone. It's complete. Steve Smith left side. Touchdown. Newton in the gun. And Newton sprints right. It's the shovel pass up inside. Mike Tolbert. Yes, he's got it. Touchdown.
There were 5 guys that got a hand on Tolbert, and he never did go down. He just spun right all the way through.
Cam Newton stands in the pocket. Oh, he's got LaFell wide open. Caught 45. He's across midfield. Down the near sideline. May take it to the house. It's a foot race. 10-5. Touchdown. Carolina Panthers. 88 yards.
There's a 5-man rush. No one picks up Brandon LaFell, and the tech end has the hit of the year. Just knocked the defensive back senseless.
The Panthers come to Minnesota. Both teams had to win a 35-10 resounding victory. Bunched up, ends in tight. Richie Brockle motions to the near sideline. Cam Newton hands under center. Fakes play action. In trouble. Throws left side. The receiver's open. Caught. Touchdown Olsen. Unbelievable improvisation.
How many quarterbacks are strong enough to get a stiff arm to buy more time to throw a touchdown?
I've seen Drew Bledsoe do that, and I've seen Roethlisberger do that, but not many people can do that, fight off a linebacker, and make a strike.
D'Angelo Williams up inside, cuts to the left, breaks the tackle, rumbling, angling left side, and scores. Woo! Touchdown Panthers. D'Angelo Williams, his first touchdown of the season. Glennon in trouble, sack at the 31.
Kraken. The Kraken shut all that down.
Newton pats the football, pumps one, drifts to the left, he'll run. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, touchdown. Carolina Panthers. 7-step drop, plants under duress, pocket evaporating, and he's sacked at the 35-yard line.
Charles Johnson.
Low driving punt. Page at the 30, dropped it. Panthers fall on it. Now they lose it. Tampa Bay comes in, tries to fall on it. It's Panther football at the 30-yard line. Cam Newton flips it to Mike Tolbert, right side, caught, and he scores a touchdown. Here comes pressure, sack, and down goes Glennon. Matt Ryan in the gun. Thomas Davis fakes like he's going to blitz. Instead, backs into coverage, and here's the throw over the middle, intercepted. Kuechly at the 45. But what a read by Kuechly over the middle. Newton gives to Tolbert up the middle. Tolbert scores behind the Brockle block, and Carolina leads 6-0.
Oh my goodness, and Tolbert did the dirty bird on the 2. That's not Tolbert.
3rd and goal from the 12-yard line. Ryan has the shotgun snap. 4-man pressure. Ryan with room, Ryan with time. To Quiz Rogers, left wing at the 12, tackled at the 11-yard line. Important moments of the season right now. The 7-3 Carolina and the Panthers marching and on a drive. Cam Newton, 4th down in the yard. Newton fakes into the line, rolls out to the right. He throws a pass, it's open, caught, touchdown! Greg Olsen right side. The Panthers are now 5 of 7 on 4th downs this season. Jansen snap, the placement, the kick is a low line driving kick, and it's good from 55, Graham Gano. 1st and goal at the Atlanta 8-yard line. Cam Newton will carry it himself with Khalil leading the way, blocking right, pylon, got it, touchdown! 66-yard drive, 7 plays, featuring a fumble loss and then found again. Matt Ryan takes the snap, 7-step drop, back foot hits, and he throws the ball in, it's intercepted, picked off by the Panthers. It was tipped and then picked off. Thomas Davis has it. Matt Ryan in the gun. Backs up, foot hits, in trouble, running out to the near sideline, can't get away. He is sacked in the backfield. This will be the last play of the game. Dump pass to Jaquiz Rogers, who fumbled the ball, was hit from behind. Alexander picked it up. The Panthers win it in impressive fashion.
You don't come to our stadium and walk away with a win. Defend our turf.
The final score, Carolina 34, the Atlanta Falcons 10.
That's how you play a second half of football and put a team away. That first half was suspect, but there were a lot of good things. But we got to focus in on a lot of things. We got to get ready and get prepared. We got a nice road ahead. And when you come back to work on Wednesday, we focus on one thing. You know what that one thing is? Win. That's right. It's damn right. It's to win. Bring it in. Break them down, man. Yes, sir. Yeah, we're going to keep this thing going. Keep this thing going. Panthers on 3. 1, 2, 3. Panthers!